Larry, it is always a good sign when these finished floors are going down. It means we've turned the corner on progress here. So what have they chosen to put down?
What they're using here is a 1/2 inch thick, 7.5 inch wide engineered product.
Okay, so we've got the 7.5 right there and super thin right there. That's the 1/2 inch, right?
Yes. This is what we're actually putting down. We have some sub layers here of like a plywood substrate. And then we have a real white oak veneer.
So it's real wood.
Yes, it's real wood on the top.
And those layers, this is for stability.
Yes. The way this is designed is with the arrows depicting the direction of the grain. Mm-hmm. Okay. On the bottom layer, it would normally run in the same direction as the top layer.
Of the oak, the actual oak.
Right, for balance.
Yep.
Okay. And then another layer would run on a 45-degree angle, again, with this depicting the direction of the grain. Another layer on a 45-degree angle in the opposite direction. And then another layer perpendicular to the top. They sandwich it all together, glue it all together, and as moisture is introduced into it, they fight each other as they try to grow.
And that means that they're not going to really move as much.
Correct.
I've got solid wood down in my house, but it's probably 3 inches, 3 1/4 wide.
Yes. Well, with the solid hardwood, it's not as dimensionally stable because everything is all in one direction and it wants to swell. All the grain's running the same way because it's a solid piece of wood. The wider you go, the more susceptible it is to noticing the cupping.
Right.
Okay.
Gotcha. But not the case with engineered because of that stability.
No, engineered is fine.
How's this going to hold up? Because the engineered stuff usually is pre-finished.
Yes.
So durable.
It's pre-finished, and this particular product has an aluminum oxide finish. This will last a long time under normal household use. However, you can get one sanding out of it.
Nice. When we see guys put down solid hardwood, they let it acclimate to the house.
Correct.
You doing that with the engineered?
Yes, we are. What we do is we use a moisture meter. We always check the moisture content in the flooring, the moisture content in the subfloor, and the relative humidity in the house and the temperature to make sure that they're all within the parameters that they need to be for proper installation.
Okay. I saw you guys doing the installation. Was that a nailer or a stapler?
It's a nailer. We use barbed cleats, and what they have is they have the barbs on the side, they penetrate in, and they grab, and they have superior bonding strength.
Beautiful. No glue necessary.
No.
All right, well, it looks like we got the right material. The homeowners are thrilled with it, and obviously the right prep and installation, so I'll let you get back to it. Thanks, Larry.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.